Yo guys, what's up? Uzi here, and as you can see, or as you can't see actually, I should say, mad snow. I've been on the road for 5 hours, driving a total of, what would it be? About 40 miles. So, yeah, 5 hours, 40 miles. Mad snow. I'm kind of going a little fast. Hold on. There we go. That's a little better. I finally reached civilization after being stuck in traffic for I would say, I think 3 hours, being stuck within, I would say, 4 miles. I think I went 2 miles in 2 hours, so literally going 1 mile an hour. Reason there was so much traffic is because people couldn't make it up this one hill, which in these conditions is like climbing Mount Everest with your car. So I finally reached civilization. As you can see, there's some lights, there's other cars. What else would there be? There was a car fire behind me, and in front there was the impossible hill, aka Mount Everest. So I've conquered it. I've made it back to civilization. I am about 2 miles away from home, and I've been out for 5 hours. Alright, just giving you guys an update. It's hard to see, but it's snowing pretty heavy out here in Virginia. Maybe that'll help. Nah. Well, you can see the snow falling right there. But yeah, that's the conditions right now. But I'm hardcore, so I'm driving. And as you can see, traffic is pretty much jammed. As far as you can see, I can't even see out my back mirror, my rear view mirror, because it is completely blocked with ice. And we are moving again, and it's not really safe to be filming, so I will see you guys later. Peace.